Hi everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the August Pride Edition Glossybox, and as always I'll post the prices that I find these products at online. I don't normally check eBay or Amazon because a lot of people just take the products out of their glossy boxes and sell them online, so I just check normal stores to see what price I can find them at. As I said, this month's box is the Pride Edition, so it's obviously nice and colourful. And inside the top of the lid there's also this little cute rainbow hat. Inside, as always, we've got the little ribbon and the leaflet that tells you information on the products. The first thing on the top of this box is this face mask. I haven't used this exact brand before, but I've used ones that are really similar, with similar ingredients. And the packet that I bought was 5 face masks for £8, and it says here that the RRP on this is £5 for one, so that's pretty expensive. The next product in here I think is called 3NA, and this is a navy blue eyeshadow paint. A few days ago I got an email with a preview what you would be getting in your box, and it was saying that celebrities like Kim Kardashian are setting trends by wearing blue eyeshadow. I've been wearing blue eyeshadow since I was 12, and it's not navy blue. I like bright blues and bright colours. I realise that this might be a thing that's coming into fashion now, but I think they're about 12 years too late, to be honest. Anyway, I'll just continue wearing my bright blue eyeshadows, and this navy one's going to go into a giveaway. Next we have these Rimmel London metallic temporary tattoos. A few days ago I was in Superdrug and I actually seen these and I was going to buy them, but they were £4.99 and I kind of thought, I've got real tattoos, do I need to spend £4.99 on temporary tattoos? But I think these are absolutely stunning, and the RRP on these is £4.99, which is right because that's how much I've seen them for in Superdrug. And I'm going to keep these for myself because I think me and my niece will have quite a lot of fun with these, and these are actually quite stunning, and you do get quite a lot in there. So this is my favourite thing in the box so far. Then we have this lip and cheek jam by Trifle Cosmetics, and this is vegan, cruelty free and organic, and this is also a full size product. Obviously I don't use anything on my lips because I'm addicted to lip balm, and I don't really use anything on my cheeks either because my face is red enough as it is, so this is going to be going into a giveaway. It says here that the RRP on this is £17.50. Obviously I'm going to say that £17.50 is too much for this product, but when you think about the fact that it's vegan, cruelty free and organic, that doesn't really seem like too much. When it comes to saving animals and not testing on animals and things like that, I don't mind paying a little bit extra, and if this is the kind of thing that you like, then I suppose £17.50 is a bargain. Before I go into the next item, I literally just noticed that this is a Victoria's Secret face mask, so that explains why they're £5 each. Now we have this Astrolite highlighter by Cosmetics, and once again this is a full size product. I actually really like the colour of this, and the RRP on this is £13. Now from my last video, which was a Glossybox video, they were charging £24 for a highlighter, which I think is really too expensive. I don't think that £13 really is that much. I won't be using this because I love my Revolution highlighters, so this is going to go into a giveaway as well. Finally we have this Rimmel London Ink Me tattoo stamp, and this is a full size product worth £4.99. I've seen people using these on their videos before, and they normally put a little beauty spot or like one here, like a little tear, and I'm sitting here thinking, realistically, am I going to use this? Should I just put it into a giveaway? I don't think I'm going to use it, but at the same time I do think it's really cute. So I can't really decide on that one yet. But really I think that this is quite a good thing to get in this box, especially since it's about free love and all that. As you'll probably know, these boxes are £10 a month with £3 postage and packaging, and this month it should be worth around £55 depending on the prices that I found the products at online. And actually I thought that this month's box was pretty good, considering you get 6 full size products in here. It really did seem like a bit of a bargain. Obviously I'll be putting most of these into a giveaway, but still, I still got some products out of it that I really liked. Like I was going to buy these tattoos at some point anyway, so I kind of just saved money on that. If you're interested in subscribing to Glossybox, I have a code for you to save money in your first box, and I'll also put it in the description box below. If you liked what I got in this month's box, you'll have your chance to win these as well as some other items that I've collected for a giveaway which is coming up this month. For a chance to win, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on the giveaway video. To make sure you don't miss the giveaway video, you can hit the notification bell or follow me on Facebook and Twitter. and I'll leave the link for those in the description box below. I have been planning this giveaway for a while, so I hope you enter. Let me know in the comment section what your favourite item was in the box, and if you liked this video please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here consider subscribing. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, bye!